I bring you greetings from Ghana Union Movement Head Office. This is the Election Directorate of Ghana Union Movement. Boom. I'm your Election Director by name Emmanuel Saki. Greetings also goes to all our honorable parliamentary candidates in the various 275 constituencies. Warm greetings also goes to our able regional executives within the 16 regions, not forgetting our hardworking constituency executives in the various constituencies. The party wishes to use this medium to inform all PCs, regional and constituency executives that due to limited time left before the elections and the recent upsurge of the COVID-19 situation, the Election Directorate will be sending you virtual videos to address concerns about the election on the following subjects. 1. The composition of constituency and regional election directorates. There should be a 7-member constituency and regional election directorates comprising of all chairmen and parliamentary candidates, all secretaries, all organizers, all women organizers, all youth organizers, an IT person, and an accountant or an accounting person. Responsibilities of regional and constituency election directorate. 1. They are to liaise with the EC on the party's behalf on the following issues: making sure that the EC is able to provide credible register, recruitment of their EC electoral officers, establishment of polling stations, transfer voter list, proxy voter list, special voter list, absent voter list, ballot tracking from the printing press to the police station, then to the polling station. Now there should be also how distribution of polling materials should also be tracked. It's another responsibility. Now accreditation for polling agents should be a matter of urgency, and then other election related issues. Now the other issue concerning the duty of the Election Directorate has to do with recruiting our own polling agents. What they have to do is to conduct an oral and written aptitude test. Now 2, training of the polling agents. What they have to now get in place is to provide them with training manuals and a pen and a notepad for the training section. The materials required to equip our polling agents before they go to their place. It also has to be given the necessary attention. 1, the statement of poll, or what we call results declaration form. Then identifying booms, strongholds. There's a form to do that. And then also forms of receiving ballot papers. Ballot statistics sheet is in 2 parts. 1, and then we have ballot statistics agent accreditation. We have results collation sheet. We have voter register and other list. Now the tracking sheet from the police station to the polling station will also be provided to the agent. Now we have a letter of accreditation that the agent has to send to the EC for endorsement. We have prompters chart and then the agent's posting chart, so that the constituency will know where an agent is at any time. Now the other function is how to handle matters of correspondence and accreditation with the EC. How do I mean? No list of polling agents with contacts be sent to the EC upon request, meaning that the EC will request for a list of your polling agents for accreditation. Never add the contacts of the agents. Now leave out spaces for the name of the agent and the polling station and code when you are drafting the accreditation letter. Send only 1 copy of accreditation letter to the EC for endorsement, and then you come to reproduce the endorsed copy for the dispatch of the agents. Don't forget to collect accreditation tax per the number of polling agents you have sent to the EC. Now you come to securing and protecting the electoral interest of the party before, during, and after voting. What do? We have pre-voting, voting, verification, statement of poll, and results transmission. Role of the polling agents should also be addressed before the polling starts, during the polling in the day, during the counting. This will be expatiated in our subsequent videos. Now, how to monitor elections, election monitoring, results transmission, correlation, and then finally welfare of polling agents. The Election Directorate of Ghana Union Movement GUM hereby entreat all PCs, regional executives, constituency executives to try and contact the election director on the following line to address all election related matters with regards to GUM and the election ahead. On this line 0243 707805.